recognizing the higher cognitions of you means absolute powerfulness, ability to break any pattern, living the life with full awareness, consciously moving into life. All those cognitions are part of you, understand? They are not new to you. They are part of you. The other side, when somebody fails, you enjoy because you don't need to be successful. It's absolutely celebrating non-integrity. Understand? You have the other side also, taught by society. Unconscious feeds. This ransom software. Companies have spread some virus. It goes and sits in your system and destroys the whole lane. And it gets encrypted into it. Only if you pay ransom, it can be removed. And those companies who made this soft virus and released, I warned, today is the second attack. Something like 480 of Fortune 500 companies have been attacked by this virus. Among the 500, 480 are attacked by this virus. This is exactly the way society has corrupted you. Listen, the only way to clean you up and make yourself successful is integrity. The very engagement between both of us happens only with integrity. It is with integrity the engagement even starts. Let me clearly define so that all of us understand and internalize. First thing, integrity is absolute truth. Being true to cosmos, being true to your life, being true to your superconsciousness, being true to cosmos. Integrity awakens the consciousness, makes you manifest powers. When you manifest powers, you become more devoted to integrity and more integrated. Because you are more integrated, you manifest more powers. Because you manifest more powers, you become more integrated. So this is what I call virtuous circle. Don't worry about vicious circle. Don't put your attention and energy there. Let's work only on virtuous circle. Because I want you guys successful. Understand? I am not even going to give you guys the negative example. Oh, if I don't become integrated, what will happen? I don't want to give you that negative example. I don't even want to give you that visualization. Let me describe the very concept of integrity. Understand? Whether it's a thought current you entertain or thought current you share with others, being true to it. That's the first level. Then the next level, every thought current you share with yourself and others, raising its purity. For example, if you feel getting married and having children is the right thing, so that is what you cherish and you share with others. Be true to that. Next level is whether that really leads to what you want or not. That is the next level of purification. The next level of purification cannot happen if you are not integrated to first level of what you understand. Understand the first level of integrity is the basic thing, integrity to time. How many of you are really serious about manifesting the powers of Sadashiva? Very serious, raise your hand. Then we both need to engage. Engagement starts with integrity. That is what is the touching point between you and me. I need to teach you absolute integrity, level by level. Ultimately, integrity alone is enough for you to become enlightened and manifest all the powers of Sadashiva. For me to teach you that absolute integrity, we need to start engaging. Start the relationship. Is it not? Understand? I want you to be successful. Your success is my success. Because I want you to be successful, I have come down. The work we are going to do is based on Shaktipada, initiation, not based on words. If it is just based on words, satsang discourses, you can sit anywhere in the world. I can do it through two-way video conferencing. I can even give you powers through two-way. But it is not just powers, it is raising you to the very frequency of Sadashiva. Not only you manifest powers, you manifest even powerful cognitions. So absolute integrity is the only way we both engage. So integrity to time is the first, foremost, basic requirement. This is not controlling mechanism. This is empowering structure. Understand? If you are going to go and sit somewhere on time and you are working for certain productivity and somebody's income, then it is a controlling mechanism. But here, you are coming and sitting on time for you to get empowered. So it is not controlling mechanism, it is empowering mechanism. Integrity is a space, it is a frequency. It's a frequency, it is not any reason. Without integrity, you need to spend a lot of time on power manifestation. Important secret why I made this whole science very simple, just like that, is I have mastered a short circuit method of electrocuting you with Kundalini, but that wiring happens through integrity.